What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I bring you another special video you guys haven't seen in a very long time, the Sunday stock watch list. A lot of you wonder why I don't make these anymore. It's because I make it exclusive for my Discord chat now. But if we get 300 likes on this video, I'll start uploading this more consistently. I don't know about every Sunday, maybe like twice a month, right? If not, it's probably the last one in a while. Just wanted to update you guys on the market and all that good stuff. So before we go ahead and start this video, obviously hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, and comment down below, what am I missing from this? If you see like my watch list and you think there are other things I should be watching, let me know, and then I'll add it to the next watch list, or I'll take a look at it, give you a little shout out on Twitter or something. Also, tomorrow is a crazy video. I think it's the best vlog that's ever going up on my channel or has ever gone up on my channel. So it's gonna be crazy. So let's go ahead and start this video. And yeah, let's start with the schedule. So this is the schedule here, as you guys can see. Monday we have the ISM manufacturing index. Tuesday you have a few people speaking. Factory orders, not really that important. I'm looking for PAL. Can we find PAL? But Wednesday we have the OPEC meeting. Raphael speaks. Nobody really kind of pays attention unless it's like, PAL. But Thursday, obviously, jobless claims. And, we have other people speaking again that aren't important. And then Friday, we have employment situation. And then John Williams speaks and all that good stuff. Consumer credit at 3 p.m. That's cool. But this is scheduled for the week. If you guys want, screenshot this. If you want a clearer picture, just go to my Instagram, Trade Like Nour. I only post strictly trading on there, and I only have 3 Instagrams: Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, and StockHours. So if you want, just go there. It'll be there. As far as earnings, nothing that I care about personally, but I obviously want to show you what's going on for the weeks. If you guys want a clearer picture, like I said, go to Trade Like Nour. You can screenshot from there. Now let's go ahead and get started with the market. It's just been all over the place as far as what's going on. We're getting crazy sell-offs every week. It's just dying every single week. So look, this is the last 20 days, as you can see, the ES or whatever you guys follow, SPY, ES. I follow ES. I like bigger numbers. As you can see, we're down like almost 600 points. Even if you put it on SPY, let me just show you SPY at the beginning of the last 15 days, 415 down to 357. We're looking at almost 60 points here. So it's just very scary to see this market do this. What am I looking now? I like ES. So I'm gonna just show you ES. We have a lot of room on SPY, right? My next support on this isn't until 350, and after that I don't really have anything till 335. Now if I put this on ES so you guys can see a clearer picture, it kind of broke through both of the supports that I had nearby here, the 3630 and then the 3615, 3617 area, and we broke through 3600. My next support on ES is 3540, 3538, that area. If I put this on, what is that? I had the 1 year, that's a 4 hour. Now if I put this on the 1 year, we have plenty of room, plenty of room. So I know you guys like buying the dip. Be careful. Things have a lot more room. Be patient. There's no reason to be trying to catch every single bounce in the market, especially when you see something like this, an area where we bounce, respected, and then you get one of these candles, green or red. That's a bearish candle, right? So first thing I'm watching this week, Tesla just had some numbers come out, so this doesn't really matter what I say right now because they had production numbers just come out. Let me just put this on the 1 hour. Or actually the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours. Cool. So this used to be, supply zone. Obviously, when you break out, we came back. We kind of tested it. This is demand zone now. As you can see, we bounced. We came over here, tested this area. We're kind of testing this area too. Now, I'm looking at the bottom of this demand zone being about 258. A lot of you will probably enter earlier, like that 260 area. Just based on how the market's been moving, I'll probably wait for 258 personally, but I just wanted you guys to know there's a demand zone here, and it kind of doesn't matter just based on what they look at those numbers and how they look at those numbers. This might even open up at 255, right? As far as production numbers, were they bad to me? No. But the market's looking for any reason to sell off anything right now. So just keep an eye. You might actually get a nice little bounce on Tesla where they look at it like, oh, the market is actually getting hurt right now and Tesla's holding up with these sales. So you just have to pay attention. I just wanted to make sure that you guys knew the demand zone was right here. And after that, this doesn't have any, support until around that 250 level on Tesla. So that's Tesla for me. Next thing I'm watching is Amazon. Why am I watching Amazon? I'll just show you guys. 1 hour. I'm looking at the 112 area. We keep bouncing off of this area. It's a nice little support we got going off. We come through. I actually like this. If you put it on the bigger time frame, you can see we're just in a consolidation, right? And to be honest, Amazon isn't holding up well at all. On the other hand, Tesla was holding up well at the very beginning of the sell-off, and then obviously when the market sells off that much, no matter what stock you have, it has to come down, right? I try to tell people that. That's why market sentiment and referencing it to futures matters a lot, because if market is going to drop, it's going to have to drag your stock down. I mean, I'm not talking about penny stocks. I'm talking about actual companies and stocks that I trade. But look at this. 112 level, I'm watching this. After 112, I don't really have any support till 110, 109 area. And then after that, we're watching this supply zone over here, which is at that 101 level. It kind of falls in the mix over here. I can lower this. I don't know why it's so big, but let me just put, okay, right here. This is supply zone for Amazon. In between like 108 area and that 101 area. We couldn't break that. We know how many times we've tested it. And then, yeah, so I'm watching this 110 after 112 break and seeing if we bounce or the sell-off just doesn't stop. So the next thing I'm watching is NVIDIA. This is a little weird, right? NVIDIA was only down 0.6%, which is very much better than what the market was doing, because most, or SPY or S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, they were down about 1.5%. Stocks like Tesla and Amazon were down about 1.3%. This held up. This was down almost 0.5%. Now, as far as what I'm looking at on this, I'm looking at that 119, 120 area. The problem is we do have this descending wedge going on here. I kind of hate when we have the trend at the bottom, because it leaves me with little to no room, and especially if this respects it, you get a very sharp bounce on it. So be careful. I am watching this 120, 119 break into that descending wedge, lower end of it. Now, if it bounces, I'll be out of it pretty quickly, but if not, on the 4 hour, this has plenty of room. This has room to about 115 for me after that 120, 119 break, and then from there, we'll see how the market carries. But NVIDIA has a lot of room, except on that 1 hour trend. If the market's, holding up or not weak enough, this will pretty much bounce pretty quickly. And NVIDIA has pretty sharp bounces. So I am watching NVIDIA. I know a couple of my interns are watching things like Facebook, which is now Meta, obviously. Let me show you guys what they're watching. It's all right. Right, they're looking at Meta, and they're looking at that 135 break into 132. I see what they're watching. Look, it's like a little flat bottom right here. 135. It's cool. I'm just gonna have to base the same thing. This was only down 0.5%. I'm looking for things that are weak off the bat. Like this has been weak. You know what I mean? This is broken, but maybe this is a little overextended. I don't want to get caught in any sharp bounces. Meta has some nice moves though. If you could catch one of those moves, like for example, look at Meta off the open from 136 all the way up to 138.66. That's a very nice move, especially with options. Insane. Now look at the retest. This goes from 138 all the way to 141 basically. So yeah, that's what they're watching. They're watching the 135 area. I see Baba. They're watching. What are they watching here? I saw ENPH. I don't really like watching those stocks, but we'll take a look. They're watching 270 area. If that breaks, they have a gap to 263. So for the people that like gap fills, okay, they're watching this right here. 264 break all the way down to like 258. But they're watching the 270 level because there's a flat bottom there. So they're watching ENPH. That's cool. I'll probably watch it. I just don't know how those options move. I'm not really a fan of these types of stocks. I'd probably rather play this with shares. So I might even actually just short it with shares rather than buying puts. But this is the watch list for this week. Obviously during the week on the Discord, I'll be live trading and signaling when I enter and when I exit. But throughout the week on Instagram, I'll be showing my progress, seeing how these stocks develop, and if I caught them, I'll post it. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Tomorrow's the vlog. Do not forget that. You do not want to miss that video. I'll see you guys. Peace.